How to fix /lib/x86_64 Linux new /libc.so.6 version glibc_2.14 foot not found. How to fix this error. Platform.
That means the program was compiled against glibc version 2.14, and it requires that version to run, but your system has an older version installed. You'll need to either recompile the program against the version of glibc that's on your system, or install a newer version of glibc, the libc.6 package in Debian. Debian has glibc 2.16 in the experimental repository, but recompiling the program is the safer option. Glibc is the library that everything depends on, so upgrading it can have far-reaching implications. Although there's probably nothing wrong with Debian's glibc 2.16 package, the fact that it's in the experimental repository means it hasn't received as much testing.
I have posted my solution here, repost it for reference. In my situation, the error appears when I try to run an application, compiled on Ubuntu 12.04 LTS, using glibc_2.14 on Debian Wheezy, which installs glibc 2.13 by default. I use a tricky way to run it, and get correct result. Download libc6 and libc6 dev from Ubuntu 12.04 LTS. Run dpkg command to install them into a directory. For example, run your command with specified ld_library_path. My application only uses memp from glibc_2.14, and it works. I don't know whether it will work successfully for other applications. Wish it helpful.
If you can't use dpkg because of the libc error, try /bin/busybox.sh. Busybox is statically linked, so works with a broken libc6. Then you can use wget to get the libc6 deb from this URL, arxlibc6*deb, unxdata.tar.xc, and, be careful, tar_vxfdata.tarc/ to get things going again. Hilarious context, I wrote a Python 3 script to downgrade packages to the distro version in order to get a partly due release update upgraded system back to the pre-upgrade state. I neglected to leave libc6 until last.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.